What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name's Donovan Spear. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you like this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It helps with the algorithms. Now, what we're going to be going over is you probably came from one of the short form videos that I've done on the social media platforms, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, so on and so forth. What we're going to be going over today is a little bit about this channel. This channel is a free platform for training that I use. As you can see on the screen right here, I got day 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. I teach you day by day, step by step on how to make a six-figure income from home online for free. I teach you. I don't charge for a course. You'll never catch me charging for a course ever. So let's just be clear about that. Now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm doing something new this year, guys. What I'm doing is, you see this $100,000 Ultimate Blueprint 2023 edition right there. This is a continuation of this training. So as you watch this training right here, this video will be before this video that you see on the screen. Okay? That is a video of my mentor. He's made $300,000 and close to $30,000 a month passive income coming in each and every month with this product right here. This product offers 80% commissions. So now this will be, I might do another video in this series, but so on and so forth. This is going to be, you're going to see his screen and he's going to show you the training on how to make six figures online and get up to the point where he's at right now. So I'm doing this video. You'll see me on this video, but the rest will be videos of him showing you how. Now, they're going to be pretty similar to this right here, my $25 business series I already have. So if you want to jump ahead, you can. And you can go. I advise you to go ahead and watch these. These are the exact videos he's taught me. So, and I relate to you guys. But just to give you a better understanding, he gave me permission to put his training videos on my YouTube to help you guys out. So that's what this series is. It's going to be him teaching you. Maybe you can get some nuggets from his style of training that you didn't find in mine, or watch mine and get some nuggets that you didn't find in his, and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So as you see on the Ultimate Blueprint, that's going to be him on him teaching you guys and dropping videos in that. But I'm also going to go ahead and create some additions to this right here. Just some little updates that I found along the way, so forth, and on that. So far in this product, I've made I think $3,000 on this product. Let me go ahead and check and pull this up for you guys. Yeah, $3,000 commissions I've made so far. And this week, I think I've made, so 340 just this week. And, you know, I took a little time off for some personal reasons, and I wish I hadn't, because this thing just snowballs each and every month, because it's a residual income. It's subscription based. So as long as people are staying in their subscriptions, it adds on each month. Let's say you get 5 people in your first month. Let's just keep it, kind of low. I think y'all will do better than that. But let's say you get 5 people at $25, okay? You get that in your first month, and they stay. Now you're in month 2, and you get 5 more. So you can see how it just adds. I mean, you might get a couple people that quit or whatever, don't want the service anymore. That's fine. But it stacks on. You can see how powerful it is. And if you go watch this video of him explaining it on day 1, it's incredible the results that he achieved so far. It's incredible. So y'all go check that out. Of course, I got my high ticket series up here. That's if you got a little bit more money to spend. See, that's high ticket. So the products in that are more. One of them costs $2,500, but you get $2,000 commission. So I would suggest you do that if you got about $5,000 laying around that you want to invest in. But if you're just starting out, you can go ahead and start on that if you got the capital. But if you have low capital startup and you want to jump into online making money online, I suggest this $25 program or a product. It's $6.25 a week. That's less than $1 a day. So that's what I would do. I would watch the Blueprint series, follow along with that, and also I would follow along with the My $25 Business series that I already have established right there, and it's got the whole playlist right there for you guys. Once you click one of these videos, in the video description, okay, in the video description there will be a link for you guys. Now this will take you straight over. I'm sure this video is going to play. Hold on, let me go ahead and pause this. Now this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? This is a business, you know. This isn't a lottery ticket. There's a difference. But if you stick with it, you will reap the benefits, okay? And all you really need is, you know, an hour a day, realistically. Now, what I do is on weekends I spend a little bit more time because I want to streamline the process at a rapid rate, as fast as possible. I want to expedite the process. So once this loads, I'm going to show you guys where to go. See, there's some of his income right there in this video. 260 grand. But you see how it starts off kind of slow and then it just snowballs into a, you know, bigger results. It's a phenomenal product right here. But as you see, go ahead and down here, once you click under here in the video description, you'll see step 1 and step 2. Go ahead and click step 1 and sign up if you want to follow along. It'll be right here. It'll be my25dollarlife.com. So go ahead and hit that, and then once you sign up under that, go to My Lead Gen Secret. It'll be step 2 and sign up under that. But when you go to step 1 right here, once you go to step 1, My $25 Life, it's going to take you to a page. It's going to take you to a landing page. And what that page is going to look like, it's going to look like this page. Just give it a second to load. And once you get to this page, there's going to be a video right here. Let me go ahead and pause this. Actually, no, it loaded. Never mind. My computer's acting kind of slow. I gotta figure out what's up with it. Once you go to this page, I advise you watch this video. It is testimonials about all the people in here making money. There are people making money, and they have a Facebook group for you guys that is filled with tons of people just like you trying to make money online. And we all ask each other questions if we got, you know, need answers and whatnot. It's really, if you're going to join something, you want to surround yourself with people with the same objective and goal in mind to achieve it, you know. So that's why I like the camaraderie about it. Go down to the very bottom after you read all that stuff, after you watch the video to give you some more information. You're gonna want to fill these out. Of course, you want to fill your information out, and then you're gonna come to this yellow box. And what this yellow box is, and it gives you a free 2-week trial of the premium. The premium is $125 a month. but it's going to give you 2 weeks free, and go ahead and click that box and get 2 weeks free. You know, if you don't like it after 2 weeks, cancel it and just keep the $25 product you get, okay? But with this trial, or with premium period, you get so much training that is so valuable. I got premium. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I do, and I'm going to keep it. First off, $125, you get 80% commissions. 80% of commissions off $125 is a $100 bill, a hundo. So for each person that gets premium under you, you get $100. So, and not only that, you get this. So you get the all-in-one business. That's what the $25 is for. Then you get the ultimate email swipes and the Freedom Launchpad. And what that is, guys, here's premium. Look at all this training you got. Lead magnet, target marketing, shows you how to do Facebook ad, short form video lead generation, ultimate leads. They give you free 50 email swipes, somewhere around here. Done for you funnels, okay? You get this Emerson, which is an AI. It's kind of like Chat GPT, but for this. So you could be like, hey, I need an email. Write me a high converting email relating to making money online. And it'll spit it out for you. It's awesome. And of course, they got the training. They got live training every Monday, I believe. Mastermind at 8 p.m. I think it's 8 p.m. Eastern. I'm not for sure. Oh, right here. Mastermind. Okay. So they got all that. And then, of course, they got all the replays. It shows you cute. The premium's awesome. It's got everything, man. All the training you need for this business. So, yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to give you an update on. And, you know, just follow along. Stick with this for a year. You're going to be amazed at how far you are in a year, financially and everything else. It's just phenomenal. He shows you how to do a YouTube. You need to create a YouTube. It shows you everything. I show you in this series too. So as you're watching this Blueprint edition, make sure you're watching. You watch all of these, okay? We're gonna crush 2023, guys. So. I will see you in the next video. I'm about to go make some lunch. So I'll catch y'all later, man. Bless you guys. Oh, and I forgot to add, when you're on this video, you're going to see a text number down below. That's my Google Voice number. Go ahead and text me if you have any questions whatsoever. It comes straight to my phone through email. So if you have any questions whatsoever, you don't have to pay for one-on-one coaching or anything like that. Y'all can go ahead and ask me any questions you need on this affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, you're stuck or need anything. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I'll see you guys later.